this short video tutorial, we will guide you how to use your extra space on your solid-state drive, or SSD, as virtual RAM on a Windows PC. Now first, open the System Properties panel on your computer by clicking the Start menu, type in the following on the search bar, then press Enter. Now once the window opened, click Advanced tab, choose Settings under Performance Header, then click Advanced tab, click Change under Virtual Memory, and uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Now in here, click your SSD drive to choose as the location of your paging file, then select System Manage Size, or if you have a specific instructions for how large of a file you need, select Custom Size instead. Then, enter the minimum and maximum page file size in the appropriate blanks. Now once you have chosen your option, click Set, then click OK twice so that your PC will shut down, and then restart. But when it comes back up, it will now use part of your SSD as virtual RAM. That's how to use extra space on your SSD as virtual RAM on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.